is that? What's that noise? Z, what is it? Ow! Oh my gosh! I'm getting bit! You stop biting. All of you guys, stop biting. Oh my goodness. What is better than a barrel full of monkeys? 2 hands full of Cubans. That's right. These are last year's baby Cuban Crocs. And ow, ow, ow! They're teething. Yeah, they're teething. That's it. Oh, keep telling yourself that, Robbie. Oh my goodness, they are growing so fast and they are so adorable. You guys are biting my fingertips. That hurts. That's like, ooh, oh my goodness. Now I know what people who are diabetic feel like when they got to poke their fingers. Ow, that hurts. Oh, you guys are absolutely adorable.